Are you looking to make money online with Amazon Flex? This is one of the Amazon apps that is used to deliver goods from Amazon. So this is Amazon Flex. What you do is you apply for Amazon Flex. So you'll be using your car at your own time. This is how Amazon Flex works. So what you do is you first receive a blog, you download their app, and then you apply, then you select some goods that you want to send. Like people are buying on Amazon, what you do is you deliver those goods to those people. So after you apply, then you book a delivery, then you'll be notified when the delivery is up to deliver. You choose a location like maybe Mississippi or maybe DC. So after that, then you make your delivery. After delivering to the final destination, then you get paid. So they pay twice a week. Now let's look at what you need. You need to be accepted for Amazon Flex. So you need to be living in the area where it operates. So there is a list of where it operates, and again you need to be at least 21 years, and you need to have a valid US driver's license, and then you need to have a mid-size. The most appropriate one is a van that will allow you to deliver more goods, and then you need to have an Android or iPhone for you to operate their app. Now after signing up for Amazon Flex, you can also get some rewards for actually using the Amazon Flex app. So here's what happens. You apply for the Amazon Flex Visa card. Then if you apply for the Amazon Flex Visa card, and at any time you buy fuel using the Amazon card, you get 6% cash back to your account. Then also you get 2% cash back on Amazon.com and their wholesale foods purchases. Like if you buy on Amazon.com with the Amazon Flex Visa card, you get 2%. If you have any questions about Amazon Flex, you can just come here and search for your questions right here. So how much can you get paid with Amazon Flex? So they pay you between 18 to around $24 per hour. One question here: when will I get paid? About it 1 or 2 days after delivery. So let's actually see where Amazon Flex is available. So Amazon Flex is available in Kansas, Arizona, Mississippi. So like for example, if your location is not listed here, you can just download the app and apply. Then they will notify you if your location will be available. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so that you don't miss any of our new videos. Watch this video. It also help you out if you are looking to make money online, and I'll see you in the next video.